Hey, little ant, written by Philip and Hannah, whose illustrations by Debbie Tilly. Kid, hey, little ant, down in that crack. Can you see me? Can you talk back? See my shoe? Can you see that? Well, now it's gonna squish you flat. And please, oh please, do not hurt me. Change your mind and let me be. I'm on my way home with a crumb of pie. Please don't hurt me. Don't make me die. Kid, anyone knows that ants can't feel? You're so tiny. You don't look real. I'm so big and you're so small. I don't think it will hurt at all. And, well, you're a giant, and giants can't know how it feels to be an ant. Come down close. I think you'll see that you are very much like me. Kid, are you crazy? Me? Like you. I've got a home and a family too. You're just a speck that runs around. No one will care if my foot comes down. And oh, big friend, you are so wrong. My nest mates need me 'cause I am strong. I dig our nest and feed baby ants too. I must not die beneath your shoe. Kid, but my mother says that ants are rude. They carry off our picnic food. They steal our chips, our breadcrumbs too. It's good if I squish a crock like you. And hey, I'm no crook, kid. Read my lips. Sometimes ants need crumbs and chips. One single chip feeds our whole town. You must not let your foot come down. Kid, but All my friends squish ants each day. Squishing ants is a game we play. They're looking at me. They're listening too. They all say I should squish you. And I can see you're big and strong. Decide for yourself what's right and wrong. If you were me and I were you, what would you want me to do? Narrator. Should the ant get squished? Should the ant go free? It's up to the kid, not up to me. We'll leave that kid with the raised up shoe. What do you think that kid should do?